No, that's my Lego project. Come back. Who doesn't love a bit of Lego? Everything is awesome. Now the question is, what are we going to make out of Lego this time? This is looking pretty mangled. Looks like Eleven's jacket in Stranger Things. This is not going good. Don't turn Lego. Are we ready to see this one, folks?
We happy? Yeah, we happy.
Who doesn't love a bit of Lego? So it's been a while, folks, that I've made something out of Legos. The Lego I made that I really love was this. This is the Lego electric guitar. Charlie the maker plays this, and Charlie's talent on the end is absolutely amazing. Now the question is, what are we going to make out of Lego this time? Here we go, folks. So I've made a bit of a tower. The Tower of Lego. It's not going to be a tower, but this is what I made. You know I'm not very great at making these things. They always leak. So I've really gone to town with the glue. Like everywhere possible. And then I will probably dabble a little bit of resin in as well, just to sort of give it that little, that little base. So it gets into all the nooks and crannies. Right, folks, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to Duncan these Legos. It's not Legos, I know it's Lego, which is weird though, isn't it? Because there's more than one. But people hate the word Legos. I don't know why. So I'm going to put these Legos into here.
This is great banter. It really is.
There is a lot of Lego in there. Right, so it took a while, but we filled this puppy to the brim. But I'm actually tempted. I'm tempted that we use some black resin. Now I'm thinking with the Legos, all the colours against the black. I reckon that would look really good. So, I'm going to use black again. Here we go, folks. So what I'm going to do now, knock up a little bit of resin, a bit of black. We're going to just sprinkle it in there initially, leave it for a couple of days, and then we'll put some more in. Ooh, yes. So I've just got this out of the pressure pot, but it's popping. Now, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Rocky, what are you doing in here? You come for some treats, or have you come to see what's going on?
This is not just any black resins. This is...
What's all that movement back there?
We have hit the top. I just pulled the last little bit out to knock up a little bit more. It has taken so much resin, this thing. It really has. But I think we've just come to the top, which I'm absolutely chuffed with. So I put this in the pressure pot for another few days, and hopefully she'll be ready to crack open. This is going to look cool. 2 days later. There it is. There's the puppy. Right, so we got this out now. It's been, I don't know how much resin I've put in this, so much. But it's time for the reveal as to what this looks like. And then we can work out what we're going to do with it.
1 minute later.
I don't actually think that I'm going to get this off of here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and turn it off on the lathe.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Oh, look at this. This is not going good. Don't ever turn Lego. I mean, this is what it looks like at the moment. I mean, whether or not it would get any better, I don't know, but let's find out. Rocky, no, that's my Lego project. Come back. No, you can't eat that. I'm using it to make a cool project for these folks. looking pretty cool, although it is pretty mangled. But actually the effect is quite cool. We've had this a few times, but the annihilation of the resin, I don't know if we can fix it or not. I don't know. Still got a bit of this on there. That didn't come off at all, did it? So it's a bit more shaping to do. Definitely a lot more shaping to do. But I think I got the centre quite well there. That does look cool, doesn't it? Look at that. This actually looks a bit like Eleven's jacket that she buys in Stranger Things. I mean, considering Stranger Things, the final episode is coming out soon, maybe we should just dedicate this piece to Stranger Things. So here we go, folks. It's getting there. It's getting there. Now, I just want to kind of like mention this because so many people always mention to me and say to me, you know, why don't you ever put, you know, fill the center of whatever I'm making with a blank, you know, save material and save resin. And yeah, you know, and that is always a good idea, but I never really like doing it. And this is the reason why. It's because I never know where I'm going to go with my projects. And as you can see, you know, we're getting very, very close now to the edge. Now, I'm not going to be able to get rid of this wood. So it's going to be in the project. And by not putting it in and filling it with just all the material, you know, I end up with not this. Not that it, you know, it doesn't look bad, but it's not what I wanted. You know, I wanted it all to be Lego and resin, but now it's got wood in it as well. Because I'm never going to get that out of there. Well, very unlikely, unless I bring it all the way down to here, and I kind of don't want to, because I'm sort of like, you know, I want it to be quite a big piece.
Big piece.
Oh, behave.
So, I mean, this is looking better, but it's still rough, and I think it is rough just because it's like full of Lego. You know, obviously you've got this massive hole here, which is obviously is just a piece of Lego. Now I could spend ages filling in all these little holes and gaps and things. So I'm gonna just kind of like try and clean it up as much as I can. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Right, folks, I've got this down to about 240 grit. And now I'm gonna try this true grit again. This should bring this up absolutely awesome. I'm going to just put this on sparingly because I don't want it to sort of like get into all the grooves. I just want to try to just put it on a little bit, but this should pop out quite nicely just with the true grit. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Are we ready to see this one, folks? Has it been successful? Don't try this at home.
Check this out.
And that's a wrap, folks. There it is. But I'm in a bit of a love or hate relationship with it at the moment. I'm sort of look at it in some ways and I think that's so cool. And then I look at it in other ways and I think, I don't know. Got my emblem on the bottom there. Maybe I should have kind of like gone in a bit more here with this and sort of like curved it in. I don't know. There's so many different ways to make vases and things, but that, looking at it like that with a light on it, it does look pretty funky, doesn't it? All made from Lego. I know there's going to be some haters out there, but there's also, I hope, going to be some lovers. Well, thanks for watching this one, folks. I really do enjoy making Lego stuff, and I do hope that you enjoy me making Lego stuff. But I would love to know what your thoughts are on this, so if you could leave me a comment below and a thumbs up, that would be awesome. And even cooler if you could share this video. That really does help. Well, that's it, folks. I love you and leave you. I hope you like the new project. I'll see you soon.